Oh wow! And then why you have to turn around?
Yeah. So you do flips on it.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
I did that earlier. She fell.
Okay, she fell. Okay, I'll go on the other side.
I hit my nose here.
Oh, you. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Oh, don't do then.
Last time.
Don't do your nose then. Oh my goodness, you guys need to be very careful. Oh, should you just give it to the big girl on that one? Don't use that like Julene.
Shoot.
Oh, should you just don't use that one then?
I have to do it. I do that one.
No, like Julene does it now.
Mama.
Yeah,
Not good.
give that to Julene now.
No. Mama. You want Mama.
Okay.
Hey, Mama, you got like this. Hey, Mama, do it.
Oh,
Mama, do it. Are you ready? Give me that. Give me this.
whoa. Julene, come on. Exercise with your sister. You need your socks. Do you want to get a new pants, anak, so you're not always carrying it like that? Well, you need a belt or something.